Dear viewers, listeners, and readers. Assalamu alaikum. The employees of public and private sectors often fall in confusion how to know about the laws, rules, and regulations governing their respective service. In such condition they remain unaware of their duties and rights. Consequently, they fall prey to confusion and feel handicapped to ensure service delivery as required. Sometimes they lose their jobs. Departments/organizations also suffer. In order to sensitize the employees, this lecture series has been prepared. It is also aimed at creating awareness about various laws, rules, and regulations and aspects of public administration. The content of the lecture shall not be quoted in any kind of legal matter, or reproduce in making legal claim, etc. I hope that the series will help the employees to know various laws/rules, understand different dynamics/aspects of their respective employment, and get them prepared for discharging their duties and responsibilities with peace of mind and up to the optimum level with efficiency and dedication in the public interest. The lecture series. Today lecture number 14 of the series is presented to honorable viewers, listeners, and readers. Topic of the lecture is Banking Mohtasib, Pakistan. There are more than 35 banks working in Pakistan. The banks may be divided into local banks and foreign banks. The branches are of one or another bank is working in each district of the country. There are more than 50 branches of Islamic banking. State Bank of Pakistan is a central bank which was established under the State Bank of Pakistan Order 1948. The founder of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, inaugurated the bank on July 1, 1948. The State Bank of Pakistan, SBP, is incorporated under the State Bank of Pakistan Act, 1956, which gives the bank the authority to function as the central bank of the country. The SBP Act mandates the bank to regulate the monetary and credit system of Pakistan and to foster its growth in the best national interest with a view to securing monetary stability and fuller utilization of the country's productive resources. For further details visit http://www.sbp.org.pk/about/index.asp. The Government of Pakistan promulgated the Banking Companies Ordinance 1962. Section 82A of the said ordinance provides, there shall be a banking mohtasib who shall be appointed by the President in consultation with the Governor of the State Bank of Pakistan. Section 82(3) of the ordinance provides for jurisdiction of the banking mohtasib. According to it, the jurisdiction is as udner. A. Inquire into complaints of banking malpractices. B. Perverse, arbitrary, or discriminatory actions. C. Violations of banking laws, rules, regulations, or guidelines. D. Inordinate delays or inefficiency, and E. Corruption, nepotism, or other forms of maladministration. The banking mohtasib was appointed in 2005 in Pakistan. According to website of Banking Mohtasib Pakistan, https://bankingmohtasib.gov.pk/complaints.php, following is the procedure of filing complaint before the banking mohtasib. Step 1. Approach your bank in writing to resolve your complaint, stating in the letter that you intend to refer the grievance to the banking mohtasib if matter is not resolved to your satisfaction. The bank is allowed a maximum of 45 days to resolve your complaint. Step 2. If you do not receive a reply from the bank within 45 days, or find the reply unsatisfactory, you may file a complaint with the banking mohtasib on the prescribed complaint form. Step 3. The complaint form duly completed, signed, and attested by an oath commissioner should be attached to your letter of complaint addressed to the banking mohtasib and sent to Banking Mohtasib Pakistan, Shaheen Complex, 5th floor, Mr. Kiani Road, Karachi. The banking mohtasib entertains following types of complaints. A. Complaints can be filed with the banking mohtasib for resolution of grievances against scheduled banks operating in Pakistan. Also, banks may lodge complaints against another bank in case of dispute. B. All complaints rejected by banks can be entertained by the banking mohtasib provided records pertaining thereto have not been destroyed by the bank in accordance with its laid down record destruction policies. C. Should you wish to refer rejected complaints to us, you may send us all related correspondence along with the complaint form without the need to give 45 days notice to the concerned bank. D. The banking Mohtasib handles complaints relating to violation of banking laws and regulations, excessive delays and inefficiency, poor service, discriminatory actions, etc. This lecture has been prepared for creating awareness of the Office of Banking Mohtasib Pakistan. Attempt has been made to present information as per the relevant legal documents and the website of Banking Mohtasib. However, before filing appeal or complaint etc., appellant or complainant must read the relevant law. This lecture shall not be quoted for making claim or supporting contention/arguments for any purpose.